Good morning students in social science class of standard 9th. Today I would like to teach you the second chapter of history, the outbreak of the revolution. Students, I have taught you in the first chapter the French Revolution during the late 18th century, that French society was divided into three states. It is a figure. Three states. First state was clergy, second state was nobility, and the third state the big businessman, court official, lawyer, peasants, workers, small laborers. Means it was a larger group. Students, as you know that first two states, that was clergy and nobility, enjoyed certain privileges by birth. The most important was that they were exempted from paying taxes and they also had to collect taxes. But king didn't have the power to impose taxes according to his will. So Louis XVI had to increase taxes, and it was extracted by the peasants. It was extracted only by peasants. Therefore, in 1789, Louis XVI called together an assembly of State General. What was State General? State General was a political body to which all three states had sent to their representative. So called meeting of State General to pass proposal for new taxes. The first and second state sent 300 representatives each, who were seated in the rows facing each other on two sides, means they got seat in the front side. 600 members of the third state, there was a larger group, third state, had to stand at the back of first two state. Peasants, artisans and women were denied entry to the assembly. They were not given permission to enter in the assembly of State General. Peasants, artisans and women. In the past, voting was conducted on the notion that each state as a whole had one vote. Each state, not each individual. Each state as a whole had a one vote. Means there were three states, so three vote. But member of the third state demanded that each individual, not each state, each individual should be given a right to vote. Students, this was one of the democratic principles put forward by the famous philosopher Rousseau, written in his famous book The Social Contract. When their proposal was rejected by the king Louis XVI, member of third state walked out, revolted of the assembly in the protest. The third state declared themselves as a national assembly. They declared themselves as a national assembly and drafted the constitution for the France, which limited the power of the monarchs. For this they assembled in the hall of an indoor tennis court in the ground of Versailles and took oath. Students, it was the picture of the tennis court. It is the figure of the tennis court. Figure of the tennis court. They assembled. Purpose was limit to power of the monarchs. So students, there was an outbreak on the streets where crowd of angry women stormed into the shops after spending hours in long queue at the bakery. They were led by Mirabeau and Abbasier. Mirabeau and Abbasier were the leader. So Louis XVI, after facing the revolting subject, recognized the National Assembly and also accepted that his powers would be checked by the constitution. It means Louis XVI agreed to check his power by the constitution. It was very big changes in the French society and administration. On the night of 4th August in 1789, the Assembly passed a decree. National Assembly passed a decree order abolishing the feudal system of the obligations and taxes. Member of the clergy too were forced to give up their privileges. Means clergy were forced to give up their privileges. They had many privileges. Tithe, it was the religious tax collected by the church, abolished. Tithes were abolished and the lands owned by the churches were confiscated. As a result, what happened? The government acquired assets worth at least 2 billion livre. So students, it is the first part, very important. Now the homework. First question, who were Mirabeau and the Abbasi? Second question, what was the voting pattern in the State General in France? Who wrote the book Social Contract? Fourth question, what was the State General? And fifth and last question, what were abolished on 4th August in 1789 by passing decree? So students, it was the part first of the chapter, the French, under the topics of the French Revolution. The second chapter, outbreak of the revolution. Second part I will teach you in the next video. Thank you.